Hello friends, the wait is finally over. Today is the first day of our summer workshop and we're starting the day with a very important topic, and that is first aid for animals and birds. I'm really excited to take you through the entire event.
The participants started gathering from 9:50 a.m. After taking their attendance, we handed over a goodie bag which we specially made for them. All participants then introduced themselves in a quick round, and we started the workshop with Dr. Neel, who guided us with all the important details about animal first aid. Now, it was time for Dr. Khyati to run the show. This showstopper explained all about bird first aid. Both of our doctors addressed a lot of queries from the audience. At the end of the session, we handed over a list of do's and don'ts to our participants for their reference. Now, it was the time to take a tour to our shelter.
We had a lot of fun today, but that's not it. We're having 6 more workshops to come. And if you want to become a part of it, please click on the link given below. Me, Momita, will see you soon with a lot of updates and activities from Jivdaya Charitable Trust. Till then, keep supporting us, keep loving us. We love you all. Thank you and bye-bye.